Hello, warriors. Welcome back to the channel. Today is October 10th, 2023, and the clock just struck 5 p.m. This is not just another ordinary day, it's an opportunity to reinvent yourself and unleash your potential. Are you ready to take action? Let's dive in. Step 1. Believe in yourself. You have everything within you to succeed. Each challenge you face is an opportunity in disguise. Remember, doubts are just shadows of your greatness. Push that aside and fuel your belief. Step 2. Set crystal clear goals. Don't just dream. Visualize your ambitions as tangible goals. Write them down. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your dreams deserve structure. Step 3. Take small, powerful steps. Rome wasn't built in a day. Start with small actions that lead to big results. Take the first step today, whether it's reading a book, starting a project, or working out. Every step counts. Step 4. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback is a lesson. Every mistake is a stepping stone. Learn from them and rise stronger. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. The energy around you influences your journey. Network, engage, and build a community of motivated individuals. Together, you'll rise higher. Now take a moment, pause, and envision your success. Feel that energy within you? That is your potential. Let's kick those doubts aside and ignite the fierce drive inside. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs that kick of motivation. Now go out there and crush it. Action starts now. Let's transform our lives together.